I'm Stefan Magnon. I'm the Ontario Manager at HomeSol Building Solutions, and I'm also the Net Zero Energy Advisor for Landark Homes in Westport, which is where we're at right now. At final inspection or evaluation, we come to the house close to when the house is completed, and we do an air tightness test. It's one of the things that we do for all of our Energy Star and Net Zero R2000 homes. And the process would be that we would take photo documentation of the exterior of the house, so all of the elevation, just to so someone can compare to the plans and to the energy model that the house is what it is, and also to document the mechanicals and anything else that is visually available for us to document at this stage. And then all that gets put into the file, and then it gets cross-checked with what is put into the energy model and what the specs are. And if anything differs in a substantial degree, then we can count that as a deficiency and find ways to offset that. So another part of the process of the final evaluation, set up the blower door at the front door or any of the exterior doors. Make sure that all the windows and doors to the exterior are closed. Make sure all the interior doors are open so that there's good flow throughout the house. And then run the air test. And that's basically it. So even though a project has had a passing mid-construction air test, a final air test is still required because many things can happen between that mid-construction air test and the final. Holes can be put into the air barrier that gets covered up and represents an air leak. So that's why it's good quality assurance for the final air test to confirm the actual air tightness of the house. Thanks for watching. And if you want to learn more about our services, visit us at homesolbuildingsolutions.com.